Today, we are taking a full tour of room 9580 on Liberty of the Seas. This is a junior suite, and I'm really excited to show you around. As soon as we turn on the lights, you can immediately see the full view of the room, and wow, it feels so spacious. Definitely bigger than a standard room.
Let's start on the left side. First, we have a walk-in closet, and this is one of the biggest differences compared to interior, ocean view, or balcony rooms. There are multiple shelves where you can organize all your items, plus plenty of space to hang your clothes. You will also notice a life jacket stored here, so just remember where it is in case of emergency.
Next to that, there is an additional closet and a safe box, which is perfect to storing your passport and other valuables. Moving on, we have a desk with a mirror and built-in lighting.
Visibility of the corridors and stairways. Lighting along the floor will direct you to the nearest desk. Will guide you to your station and are also available to answer any questions or to retrieve any essential medications from your stateroom. Once you're at your assembly station, our well-trained crew will scan your CPAS card.
You will find the ship's announcement channel controller here, along with charging ports, including one European and 2 US outlets.
Into the buckle and pull to make sure the jacket is snug. Tuck in the end of the strap. Your life jacket is equipped with reflective tape.
There are also drawers where you can store smaller items.
You may also be asked to put on your life jacket. First, separate the velcro.
Now let's talk about my favorite part, and the second big upgrade in this suite, an espresso machine. It comes with keycaps, creamer, sugar, and cups. Everything you need to make your own coffee anytime. As a coffee lover, this is honestly one of the best features for me. I drink coffee every day, so having this in the room is so exciting.
You may hear code words being broadcasted over the PA system. These messages pertain to crew assignments, and you do not need to pay attention to them. Should we need your cooperation, the captain will make an announcement. Smoking is only allowed in designated areas and never in staterooms or on balconies. Please use
Right below, there is a mini fridge, perfect for keeping drinks or snacks nice and cold.
Additional safety information can be found on your stateroom TV and in our app. Welcome aboard, and thanks again for choosing to sail with us.
And right here, we have a small sofa, a great spot to relax while enjoying your coffee.
Now let's head over to the balcony. The balcony is larger than standard rooms, which is another nice upgrade. Right now, we can see the city, but once we are out at sea, the ocean view will be absolutely beautiful. Back inside, there is also a long sofa, which can actually be converted into a bed at night.
Then we have the queen-size bed, with a really elegant design. I especially like the white floral artwork on the wall, along with individual lights, which makes it super convenient at night. There are bedside tables on both sides. If you are traveling with kids, they will receive a wristband. Personally, I think this is a great feature. If they ever get lost, The crew can quickly help them find their room using the information on the wristband.
Right here, we also have a full-length mirror, perfect for getting ready before heading out. Now let's check out the bathroom, which is another big upgrade. You will find bath towels, hand soap, and hand towels provided, which is very convenient. Another nice detail is the storage space. There are two small cabinets on each side of the mirror, where you can neatly store your makeup, skincare products, or other personal items.
The bathroom is much larger than standard rooms, and it includes a bathtub. You can really relax here after a long day. It feels more like a hotel experience than a typical cruise bathroom. It also comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so you don't need to bring your own unless you prefer specific products.
And that's our full tour of Junior Suite Room 9580 on Liberty of the Seas. Overall, this room really gives you more space, more comfort, and those little upgrades, like the walk-in closet, espresso machine, and a larger bathroom, that make your cruise experience even more enjoyable. If you are someone who values comfort and a bit of extra luxury, I definitely think the Junior Suite is worth it.